We're leaving St. Louis, Missouri.
So what is going on with this? It just floats?
Yeah.
It's high tide, the water is up here.
Maano mo na yan?
Malutaw, marilis, kag maglutang.
Hindi mapababaw mo lang adjust lang.
Yeah, kasi grabe ang mga lago, kailangan nila ito linisin. How come sa Michigan Lake walang ganitong mga lag?
Ha?
Sa lake, Michigan Lake.
Ano?
There's no log and the water was really blue.
Yan, ang river, yan may halito sa Davao.
And sa atin sa Michigan,
How you
sa
know
lake.
that? Because this is open wide.